Allison,
Yeah.
where are we and what are we doing?
Well, we're on the boat, ready to go to Cumberland Island.
Taking the van tour?
Taking the van tour.
We used to live in Atlanta. That's where I was born.
Did a lot of flirting to get us these seats here on this boat, Dad. I hope you appreciate.
Yes, I watched you work your way up to the front.
Yep. Yep.
Where are we?
The same night. Oh, we're at Dungeness Dock, Cumberland Island.
And we're on our way to where?
We're going to Sea Camp, and then we're taking the van tour.
And here's your one of the other compadres of the van tour, Allison Burke.
Just as you know, we do with our homes. Everything else in the 1970s, 74, about all the other properties became retained rights. Retained rights meaning the government gave the people a certain amount of money, and they all signed a contract saying every one of the 21 is different. Some of them were by date. 5 of them just came up last year. They signed it for the 35 years, and they would turn it over to the park. Counted 108 horses.
Oh, that's down.
It is down a lot. The year before was 136. But what we feel is it's because of it was raining, thunderstorms, lightning. I've been on these horse counts for about 10 years. We've never had a rainy day.
This year.
And we passed, like if you came by here this weekend, there's nothing on it. You could typically see 20 would be a minimum that you would find on this Stafford field. People have counted as much as 40. This weekend with the rain, none. Past what I call the Rockefeller properties.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's 5 of them. They go from the bay, well, one of them doesn't anymore, but they go from the bay to the ocean. The southernmost piece of property was the one that people thought that he bought. But I don't think anyone has found any legal documents or anything that would prove that. And that's now owned by some company in Atlanta. It says nothing on it. If you just walk north from Sea Camp, you'll go through that property and then the other 4. But those all the others have homes on them. That one has never been touched. Hi. We're going to go inside, and you're welcome to join us if you want. Pictures are okay, no problem.
Wow, pretty cool.
This is original. Everything you see here is original except the fire system. That was put in about 6 years ago in one of the restoration projects. Park has done a really good job of restoring this building inside and out. They started with the roof in 2001, and they have put about $10 million since 2001 into this house.
Oh, your videotape? Well, this is presumably Lucy Carnegie's bed from Dungeness that when I'm not sure when, George and his wife Margaret lived here for a while, and I guess when he died and she moved out, she married someone else. She sold everything. So when Nancy lived in here with her second husband, it was vacant, so she went shopping down at Dungeness.
Where are we now?
You can't even hear us.
Yeah, I can. Where are we?
We're at the wharf on the one side. Don't lose your phone out of your pocket.
Okay, turn around so I can get a picture of you. That's pretty cold. And windy. Okay, I think that's all we need.
multi-millionaires we have now are a different breed. You know, there's the Bill Gateses and people like that, and you know that's a different breed from Andrew Carnegie, who's responsible for the libraries. I mean, you go in any library, and he probably gave the startup money for it. So,
He was a great believer in self-education. That was the reason for all of his libraries. You know, he didn't go to college. So,
But it has a Scottish heritage to it.
yeah.
Because the Scots were some of the first literate, most literate people of the time.
Yeah, and he believed, give people resources like libraries and that, and they will learn and they will do well.
I just wonder what a local's opinion would have been.
Well, there's mixed feelings about that. I mean, it's great. The downside is that for his hour of privacy, he made the north end of Cumberland Island a tourist attraction.
Right.
And that is a downside. Yeah. But he did get his what he wanted.
Well, but if we count as a tourist mob, I mean, come on. Right?
I bet you.
You count. Yes, you do.
Well, really? I mean,
none of us
You don't
came.
think?
well, I mean, we're not buying Coke.
But like she said, what used to happen is if there was no help at home, they just didn't do the homework, period. So their scores are going up in schools that are doing it exclusively.
Okay, let's wind it up. Where are we?
Here we are. We're on the ferry.
We're going back.
We're going back.
Did you do what you came here to do?
We did. We wanted to see Plum Cottage and the church, the settlement, and the Stafford House, all of which we saw.
And we had a great guide.
We had a great guide. We did. Our friend Bernie here.
Yep. Nice day.
Yeah.
Very nice day.
Long day.
Good.